boys and girls, we're back for some more math practice on our math facts. So here's your new paper. So the first thing we do is always the same. I pick up my pencil and write my name. Good job. Okay, these ones are mixed with +0 and +1. So you're really going to have to be watching if you keep the number the same or if you go to the next number. So the first problem is 6 + 1. So I remember we did the sheet where we practiced our +1s, and so we just go to the next number. So the next number is 7. 3 + 1, when I'm counting, the number after 3 is what? 4. Good job. This one's a 7 + 0, so because I'm adding nothing to 7, it just stays the same number. Okay, let's go down to this row. 4 + 0 stays the same. It's 4. 5 + 1. Oh, okay, so I'm seeing that this is a +1, so it's the next number, which is what? You got it. It's 6. 8 + 0 stays the same. That's 8. And 1 + 1, we'll just go to the number after 1, which is 2. Nice work. Okay, now, just like we usually do, I want you to practice this row and this row on your own. So push pause, and when you're finished, you push play and check your answers. So you ready? Okay, go ahead and push pause. All right, boys and girls, awesome job coming back to me. Let's check your answers. Did you get 9? Good work. This one is 2. This one is 8. This is 4. This one is 8. 1, 5, and 6. Very good. If you did not get them right, go ahead and erase it and fix the answer. Then I want you to stop the video when we're finished and try these ones on your own. When you're finished, you raise your hand for me to come and check it. And if you have them correct, then you can go on to the next station. Good job, boys and girls. Give it a try.